Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. As you can see in the picture, I'll be making a Christmas gift box. Stay tuned. Thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. So the measurements depend on the content of the gift box. I've chosen a width of 9 centimeters, and this is a trial gift box. As you can see, my paper has a stain. So where the arrows are is where the contents will be placed, and then so now the height, I've chosen a height of 10 centimeters. And so what you do is, you measure and just as I'm showing in the video. Yeah, I'm not doing it that accurate because I'm just trying out something to see how it will work out, and then that's when I will make the perfect gift box. So we're done with our measurements, and now we're going to fold in the corners as I am showing in the video. So you do the same, the other three corners. You make sure you press it with your finger. If you want to make it firmer, you can use your ruler. But I find even just the finger alone does a perfect job. So now I'm going to add some glue. And this is optional if you are using a softer paper, like say, the bond paper, the typing paper. This paper is a little harder than the bond paper, so I don't like how it's sticking out. So in order to just hold it together, I'm going to glue it.
A few minutes later.
Now our box is all dry, so I'm gonna fold in the two opposite sides. I just want to see if there's a big space between them, but this is good. Look at it. Yeah. Not bad at all. I mean, it's not looking all that straight and whatever, but let's see how it turns out. So I just wanted to share my whole experience of attempting to make this gift box. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please continue watching to the end. So now I'm going to punch some holes right at the top of this box as I am doing in the video. I love this hole punch. It's just easy to use and you don't have to press hard. The first one I had to get rid of it. So I'm going to try out the contents of my gift box to just make sure they're fitting. Perfect. I love it. And I have 3 different ribbons, so I'm deciding what color to use. So I've decided I've settled for the green ribbon. So I'm gonna lace my box with a ribbon, just like there's so many different patterns of lacing shoes. So I'm gonna go with this one. So guys, you don't really need to put all these holes, but I just wanted to try out something. And I'm just enjoying it. I'm curious to see how it just turns out. So I am almost done lacing my Christmas gift box, and I just love the uniqueness, and I look forward to perfecting it. However, it was an amazing experience. So there you go, my Christmas gift box. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.